The Rising Sun Group in the United States of America has dismissed General Yakubu Gowon's claim that the 1967 Aburi Accord failed because General Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu insisted that regional governors control the military. This was disclosed in a joint statement signed by Chief Maxwell Dede, President, and Reverend Father Augusti Odumegwu, Secretary, describing Gowon's remark as laughable and intellectually dishonest. They argue that the governor will lead Nigerians through the civil war has no moral standard to speak on matters of truth or unity, pointing to the war's devastating toll, including the death of over 5 million Biafrans. The group alleges that Gowon's reversal was driven not by disagreement, but by pressure from British High Commission and northern elites seeking to maintain political and economic dominance. They also accuse Britain of arming Nigeria to protect its oil interests and sustain centralized government allegedly dominated by Fulani political forces. They therefore call on historians and academics to revisit original Aburi documents and reevaluate Nigeria's civil war narrative, saying the Biafran cause was a fight for justice and self-determination, not secession.